How to log in into 15.5 employee account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the step on how to log in into 15.5 employee account. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in 15.5 employee login and hit enter. Click on the first link that appears in the search result. This will take you towards the login page. On the login page, enter your email address and password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the forgot password link to reset it and follow the on-screen instructions. And that's it. With this, you have successfully logged in into your 15.5 employee account. Now you can enjoy various features such as submitting your weekly check-ins, settings and tracking OKRs, and giving feedback to your colleagues. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.